Mahar authority has announced that a complete lockdown is set to be imposed for every Tuesday, that is one day in a week. Vehicle movement are also severely restricted. Sale of vegetables, fruits, etc. are also not permitted to sell during this lockdown. Some information and technology setup can work at home. Hospitals, pharmacies, lab and ambulance operations will function as usual during on this lockdown period. Water supplier and milk supplier will function with the limited members. Every private, office, school institution will be completely closed. In order to save from COVID-19, follow the instruction which is given by the government and authorities of the Mohor town. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.